Okay, so problem number 3, again, very similar to problem number 1, except there's an inequality sign, but you're going to go through the process of solving for x. It says which inequality describes all the solutions to this. So basically, if you go through and you solve for x, you're going to get that final inequality, which will tell you all the possible x values you can use. Again, eventually we want to try to go through our PEMDAS backwards. So I'm going to start by first getting rid of the parentheses. Right now my parentheses, that x value inside of it is stuck because the negative 3 in front. So I'm going to start by distributing in that negative 3. That's going to give me negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Then I have negative 3 times negative 2, which will give me a positive 6. The rest of the information that was on the other side I just carry down. So I'll have negative 5x minus 3 is greater than what I just found. So from here I can draw that line through my inequality symbol just to keep this balanced. I still have 2 x values, so I can't do anything until I get these x values together first. So which one did you guys move? You moved the 3? Okay. Since the 3 was negative 3x, I would have to add it to move it to the other side. So if I add it to the other side, I'm going to end up with negative 2x minus 3 is greater than 6. Yep. So now I have it down to a single x. It's on the left side, so I'm just looking at the information on the left side next to that x. I'm going to first look, is there any addition or subtraction? Yes, they're subtracting 3 here. So if they are subtracting 3, in order to undo it, we would have to add 3. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Carry down the negative 2x, carry down my inequality symbol, and now on the other side, because those 3's will cancel, you'll have 9. Once you've taken care of addition and subtraction, you look, is there any multiplication or division happening to your x? Yes, that negative 2 is attached through multiplying. So if they're multiplying by a negative 2, we would have to divide both sides by negative 2. So I would divide both sides by negative 2. And you get x is, what happens here? I just divided by a negative. What happens? You flip the symbol. Whoa. Anytime you multiply or divide by a negative number, that inequality symbol has to flip. So now instead of greater than, it's going to be less than. 9 divided by negative 2 will give you negative 4.5. Or you could just leave the fraction 9 over 2. Okay?